You gonna ask him?
Macaroni, how do you feel on the evening of your victory? Was it exciting?
Are you proud? Is there anyone you'd like to thank? Besides the Nesties? Nobody? Okay.
Want to show the trick?
Alright, we're going to show all of our tricks, okay? You ready?
We are ready.
Pablo, you don't know any tricks yet. Macaroni, come here. Sit. Down. Did you get that good? Because that's for my mother.
Yep.
Come back up. Ready? Down. No. Down. Very good. Yes. Okay, you ready? Roni up. Spin. Very nice. Rotate. Good boy. Spin. Spin. Uh-oh, you screwed up. Come here. Spin. Rotate. Sit. Down. That's all we got.
Can we see down one more time?
Okay. Roni up. And down. Did you get it good? Would you like to do it again, Roni? Sit. Ready? It's a big one. Down. Alright. Now can you stay down? Oops. Stay. Stay. Roni, you're screwing it up. Spin. Rotate. Sit. Down. Yeah, that's my boy. Okay. Now we're going to do the harder tricks.
Now for the award
Oh wait, we
winning.
have one more that's pretty impressive. You ready, everybody? Sit. Leave it. Yes, very nice. Did you get that?
Yep.
Okay. Back up. Back, sit. Stay. Stay. We're learning stay.
Maggie. Shh. Macaroni's sister
Stay.
would like some treats.
Stay. That's a good stay. Good. That's good. Stay. Don't ring it yet. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh, we got a Pablo in the way.
Stay. No, not yet. Not yet. No, not yet. Wait. Wait. No. Ready? Stay. Stay. No. Service. Yes.
Yay!
Service. Yes. Service. Very nice.
Yay!
Now how about a big ring for the grand finale? Ready? Sit.
Shh, baby.
Roni, sit. Service. Service. Sit. Sit. Down. Service. Service. Yes. Good boy. One more. Service. Thank you.
Yay!
Alright, I lied. One more. Service. Good boy. You did it.